got another filter from Optolong. They're on a roll. It's like the second one that came out in 2 months. And this time it's the L-Quad Enhanced filter. And the moment they told me that this is nicknamed the L-Queen filter, I was like, I need it. So let's see. It's the usual packaging. L-Quad Enhanced 2-inch filter. This is essentially the new and improved version of the L Pro, so this can be used for broadband targets. Kind of like a light pollution filter. This is a graph of the filter showing all the wavelengths. And let's see what it does. It is kind of transparent because, again, it lets through most of the light apart from some very specific wavelengths. So it makes sense that it would be mostly transparent. There's most definitely a reflective surface here. Let's try. Obviously, I received a new filter for testing. This is the weather today. But tomorrow I'm not working, so I can go as far as needed to find some clear skies tonight. Whee! About an hour and a half drive away, I found some starry skies. Sky's not bad here. There's some lights though. All the tests I've seen so far were shot from under really dark skies, but it is a light pollution filter, so I think it's unfair to test it without lights. I'm taking a picture real quick without the filter of the same subject, and then I'm gonna start shooting with the filter so that I can compare afterwards if it's actually removing these lights. This is the center part of a 5-minute shot taken without the filter. And then here is the same exact shot after having installed the L-Queen filter. By blinking back and forth between the two images, it is clearly visible that in this case, the filter helped remove some of the gradient due to those lights. And then this is the final image of the ghosts of Cassiopeia. Spooky.